she bad though. She know she bad. Monday through Friday, you off in your zone. Come Friday night, then you know that it's on. Call your girls and you rolling up. Hit the party, it's going up. Shake that, work that, move that, yeah. She a good girl, but you know she bad though. 1 time, 2 times, she can, oh yeah. She a good girl, but you know she bad though.
Just keep on shaking that thing. Just keep shaking that thing for me, yeah. Shaking that thing, yeah. Just keep on shaking that thing for me, yeah.
If you with it,
If you with it.
Alright guys, so first I'm going to start off with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer and put that all over my face so my face ain't dry, you feel? Because I have really dry skin, and you're going to go ahead and rub that all over your face. And now I'm going to go in with my Tarte Brighter Days, and this is a highlighting powder, not like actual highlight, but to like make your face a little brighter, just like another primer. I'm gonna go in with my spoolie and comb up my eyebrows, and for my eyebrows I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Tattoo Studio, and this is in the shade Black Brown, and the number is 382. And this looks like that. And go ahead and with that. But first, before I do my eyebrows, I want to go in with some setting powder and just set my eyebrows so they're not so oily. Alright, and to highlight under my brow, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And this is the shade Light Medium. And then for above my brows, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline New York Concealer. And this is in the shade Cave Cafe. Okay guys, so I know my eyebrows are looking a little hectic right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out into my crease. Now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline New York concealer, and I'm gonna outline my top of brow. And I got this concealer because it was the concealer that matches closely with my skin tone. dry my eyes for my eyeshadow, I'm gonna go in with my other Maybelline New York concealer, and this is in the shade Ivory. Shade number 5, named Ivory. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that all over my lid. For my eyeshadow, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my James Charles palette. And I'm gonna go in with the shade Skip, and I'm gonna put that all on my crease. Okay, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Pinkity Drinkity right here, and I'm gonna put that right above the color that I put on my crease. Now I'm gonna go in with the color Escape, and then I'm gonna put that on my lid. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye off camera so this video isn't like an hour long. Okay, now to cut my crease, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Maybelline New York concealer again in the shade Ivory in the cup in the number 5. Go ahead and use that to cut my crease. Put that right on my eye in the middle, and to help you line up where your crease is, all you have to do is put your lid up, and it will show you where your crease will be. I'm gonna go in with the color Lash Back, which is a white color, and put that in my cut crease. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Wink Your Eyes eye pigment, and this is in the shade Ballerina Slippers. And I'm gonna put that all in my cut crease. I'm gonna mix in the shades Escape and Skip, and I'm gonna put that right over here in this corner. And I'm gonna go in with my liquid eyeliner right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is in the shade black, of course. I'll go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and take my eyelash curler and curl these lashes up. Jesus, girl. And then I'm gonna take my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and put mascara all over these lashes, girl. And now I'm gonna go ahead with my Sephora collection lashes, and these are the Fringe number 4. And y'all, I love these lashes. I always wear these lashes. I prefer these lashes. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Fenty Beauty foundation, and this is in the shade 7L01. My face, and I know it looks a little orange because it is, because I had to go a shade below my actual skin tone because they ran out of my shade, but it'll come to me. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Fit Me by Maybelline New York, just to tone down the orange color a little bit because it's looking great. Feel me? Go ahead and go back in with the color I used before and go right under my eye and give it a little pop. So to finish off this look, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Anastasia Glow Kit, and these are the shades, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use the Butterscotch shade. And now I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty lip gloss because it's popping, to finish off this look. Oh yeah. Alright guys, well this is the finished look and I hope you like it. And I'll make sure to leave all the stuff I used today for my face down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell button if you want to see more videos from me, girl. Bye, babies.